Hello everybody, Ravi here with my Rite haul for the week of August 22nd to the 28th of 2021. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So yeah, I was trying to post a video on Sunday related to the in-store haul that I did, but not a lot of people watched that video, so I decided to make this video showing the items that I got because apparently if you don't show that, no one watches the video. But yeah, anyway, you should go watch the other video that I made on Sunday because I talked about so many different things like clearance, the monthly deals that are ending on August 28th, and other deals like other monthly deals that like the Duracell that's lasting about 2 months. So definitely you need to go and watch that video and yeah, and enjoy that. All right, so yeah, I had to show this as a still picture because every time I make a video, someone or something has to interrupt me, and yeah, I'm just making this video impromptu now because I'm so done. Anyway, um, so what's going on is I got these two Hollywood Glamour, as you guys can see. They're the shower jelly. It is $5.99 regularly or $4.79 gold. So if you buy two, it's $9.78, right? And then you get back $10 in bonus cashback when you buy two. It's a limit of two, so you can get up to four of these things per card. And yeah, I just used this to roll the bonus cash. This is the same deal that's been going on since July 25th. That's when I first posted it, sorry. Um, so yeah, this is a great deal. Um, this item, they seem to be restocking a lot. But the other item here, like this body scrub, and there's also another pink bottle that is body wash, I believe. Those two, they are not restocking. And they actually kind of like, I guess, they put like label covers over it, so it looks like those items are actually discontinued. So that's very interesting. I'm just letting you guys know these things because that's why maybe you're not able to find it because they are not going to sell it, I guess, in the future. And probably that's the reason they made it a bonus cash promotion. Who knows? But anyway, the body scrub and the body wash, these two items are $6.99 regularly or $5.59 gold. And I use these items in my what do you call it, for my purchase based coupons. And also I used it for the buy 60 get $15 off and buy 50 get $10 off promotions. So I kind of like every time I found it, I was just buying that and adding it to the cart. So that was the reason. Okay, so that was a monthly deal. So you can get up to four of these per card. Okay, any combination of Hollywood Glamour. Buy two, get $10 in bonus cashback, a limit of two. There you go. I mentioned it multiple times. All right. Now moving on, we have this Futuro here, the Ultra Sheer Knee Highs for women. So I talked about this in my Sunday video as well. There is a monthly deal where you buy one of these, you get $5 in bonus cashback. And actually, I want to reiterate that this was actually part of the same deal that we did a few weeks ago. I mean, I know I talked about it on a Saturday in a live stream that I did this deal because I didn't get a chance to post my video. But I know some people probably already did the double dip deal where you buy it was part of a double dip deal. I don't remember the price now to get the bonus cash back, but it was done during like August 7th or something like that. So if you did the double dip deal that time, just be careful because you probably already used your limits or something like that. This deal, the Futuro, is a limit of four, and where you buy, yeah, one, you get $5 in bonus cashback with a limit of four. All right, so let me talk about this specific deal. So the Ultra Sheer Knee Highs for women, this one is $14.49 at my store, and that's the regular price. It's on sale this week for $5 off, like all the Futuro and Ace products are like $5 off or something. So if you buy this specific one, it's going to ring up $9.49. I printed a $5 printable coupon from the Futuro website, so I was able to get $5 off, and I showed that in my in-store haul as well toward the end when I was at the cashier. So I paid $4.49 and I got back $5 in bonus cash. This is a great rollable deal and a little bit of a moneymaker. So this is awesome to have. And yeah, I did this deal just to roll bonus cash. I had like a few dollars expiring on some cards, so this was great to add to the basket. Yeah. So you guys probably already knew about this deal because I talked about it in the ad scan as well as the Sunday video, and I also talked about it in my live stream a few weeks ago as well. So yeah, that's why you skim through my videos at least, just to grab the quick deals. You know what I mean? So yeah, so that's what I did for that. Great rollable deal. Okay, and then I want to talk about this here, the Welch's Juicefuls. So this was actually an impulse purchase. I was not really gonna buy it, but my sister was with me, so I decided we should go ahead and buy it, just to have something to eat while we were out. And then plus that day it was raining too, so we needed something to do for like the 30 minutes that we were there. And yeah, this is part of the same deal where you buy two, you get $2 in bonus cashback. It's the same deal as the Airheads, it's the same deal as Dove, say like everything is the same. And that deal actually started back in June 26th. Alright, and ends on August 28th this week. Buy two, get $2 in bonus cash back with a limit of 4. Okay, so I did this deal, and these Welch's are actually on sale, 2 for $3. The original price is $1.99, so I thought I was gonna get my gold price for $1.59, but instead it actually rang up for $1.50, so I saved an extra 18 cents. Yay! So that's like, good. I mean, they didn't have a tag on this, so I don't know if it was technically on sale, and I just did not know, because I skim over the candy deals now in my ad scan, so it's not like it's standard deals or whatever. But anyway, these Welch's are, yeah, 2 for $3, so that makes it 2 for $1 after the bonus cash back. Alright, so that's it. You can't use a coupon on this item because it's a 4-ounce bag, and it's actually the manufacturer coupon is for the 8-ounce or larger, or the 6-count box or larger. Just letting you know. But anyway, still rolling your bonus cash and having something, tangible, that's what I'm trying to get at. Anyway, I did not like these items. My sister didn't like these items, so I'm glad I didn't purchase any more than that. I don't even know if I want to even give it to some children, because this is really bad. I don't even know what child would like this in the first place if I didn't like it. Yeah, even the Nesquik actually tastes different too, the one I bought last week. So, eh, not a fan. I don't know what's going on with these companies and changing their formulas and whatever, because they don't need to. Just keep it the same. I know it's all about the trying to keep yourselves healthy, but everything is changing for kind of the worst, I feel. But that's a talk for another day, right? So yeah, so I got to talk about all the different deals that are going on at Rite Aid. I hope you guys will be able to take advantage of it this week. Make sure to go check out the other video for all the monthly deals that are ending on the 28th, and weekly deals as well. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Stay tuned for the ad scan video, possibly tomorrow. Yeah, Thursday. Alright, bye everyone.